Umentri rangba ke jelau konor ke sangma ha kasi sa jain benta kateo ula pente bhagla pathai khubor ba on Thung ke Magisterial inquiry Halor ke Jingshah Siat yap unoyalam barim juke HNLC ba Cherishterfield thank you ha kasi thoding benta kateo ukonat sangma ula yathoru ba katanat sentiat jong ke jelau meglaya kala yo e ki sakhi ba ki jingtep ki ba biang bat paka Halor ke jingdan khti ba Cherishterfield ha ke jingpun bathai bom ha ki benta ba pher jong ke jela ka bakin thup ek barang shujia shen halain khra shlong ulo ang ba jing thumu jo katnat puret kalong tang ba chulit kemi ba Cherishterfield ha ka nongrim jo ni jing tip Henry's new bok ba ni jingja ba sosi kala le japan ban.
After the incidents that took place in East Cherishterfield Hills, inquiry had started into individuals who were involved in this, and the police had made all-out efforts to find the people involved and take appropriate steps to ensure that these don't happen in the future. But in the process, many people were arrested. And while that happened, again on 10th of August, we had an incident in Limokra, in a very, very busy market area or locality where a blast took place. After the blast took place, the police had intensified the investigations that were taking place. After going into a large amount of information and doing detailed investigation, the police had found credible and tangible evidence of involvement of large number of people, including the individual who died a few days back. Based on this credible information, the police had made their strategy on how to move forward. In the meantime, from multiple agencies, we received credible information that another attempt was going to be made in the next few days in Shillong. And this is not just our agencies, but other agencies also. Once those agencies and our own information and intel gave us the threat of another attempt, which would then definitely risk the lives of the citizens of our state, the police decided to move swiftly in order to ensure that no other incidents take place in Shillong or any other part of the state. And in the process, they moved forward to make an arrest. It was never the intention of the police to harm any individual. But in the process, if the arrest was made, it would rather be in the interest of the police department, as they would be able to get more credible information on other networks that possibly are there. But as you're aware, that the circumstances led to the unfortunate incident that happened a few days back.
Hadian gani ke Jingja, USP jong ke East Khasil District, ula dep an ITA ke Kaipot, shaka National Human Rights Commission. Ukonat sangma, ha ke jokapor ula kerpa di ki pajba jong ke jela, man penne ke shongsuk shongsan, katba ke jing tokit, jong ki pulit bat ke sorkar jela ke dang yach kamat, na ke benta ke jing shengan jong pajba ke jela.
The SP has submitted the report, which is as per mandated by the National Human Rights Commission, within 48 hours. After this report is submitted, there will be magisterial inquiry, which also is under process, and that report will be submitted. And based on that, the National Human Rights Commission will look into the matter and inquire the matter. I felt that it is important at this point in time that we appeal to everybody that at this point in time we must maintain peace in Shillong City and in the state as a whole. Whatever the police or whatever the government is doing is in the interest of the safety of the citizens of the state.